here to deny him. I'm not in a relationship with him. Poster everywhere. Posted a picture of us on Facebook. I keep asking him like, why do you do this? Why do you keep posting us? And I'm gonna show you guys all the chats. Every time I text him and I'm like, why are you doing this? He always has excuses. The first excuse of posting me was that way posting like I'm a group mistake, and then now it was all over social media. And then I never know, there's no excuses. He's just laughing at me. Like he's literally laughing at me while I ask him, or why I hit him on social media, why I post on social media. I am not in a relationship. Lindumise ojala aliwan and utabilo never know ukurumu utabutla utaba embarrassed maratunzi embarrassed because I'm not in a relationship with him, but he's making it look like it. It's absolutely AI. It is AI, I swear. I'm not with this guy. He edits his own stuff. Or akono poster even like I'm literally not with him. This is the only way to prove that I'm here to speak about the situation.
I so kuyaqoka guys, because uqala ufunani ka ex-boyfriend yakho. Okwesibini, ex-boyfriend yakho ifunani kwakho kanti unomuntu nendoda happy. Yebo lonto. So lo mntana uthithisa amanga kalo kahle mama. Siyanibhuja uthithisa amanga mfondini. Musoxoka. Yabo. Uyayazi uthena mawenzani noLova. Yebo lonto le. So from the fact ukuthi wena yakwazi ukuthi ube around ex yakho for isikhathi esingaka kwayo masinini kwakho. Hayibo. Indoni ehlanza nex yakho? Kanti une out. Yeka niye uphila kufintisi bafethu. Delusion. Hayibo. In order ukuthi wena wazi ukuthi u relationship nomuntu wakhe amhlonipha, so kumele hang out nama ex wakho ngoku. Hlezi niba around nama ex wakho yonke lonto. Bese thina sithenga usikeleme ukuthi manje wena uyamphikisa ukuthi manje ndondondondondon. Undu share izinto azishare nawe. Share ama pictures meke nawe, wa share ama pictures ubusenda wena eyi-1 nonke. Kahle ulinkile staff manje ufuna ukuthi uboyfriend abone ukuthi kwenzakala ntoni. Ngoku zama ukwenza ama video zama ukuzikhulumela. Ikani uqoka man girls, kanike namanga man. Ini namanga, ikanamanga. If uhlukene nomuntu hlukana nomuntu wabo busy hang out nomuntu ohlukene naye. Hayibo, enathanda ukujongwa nina.
Na next say itoro tlhokomela mpia fela le motho imina gore byanong wa joliwa wana ke jolile yena and he says what I have been posting on social media. Mind you, I posted a video ke tswere ntong are ona di artist na link di awards tse ke ena fela le one. Mind you, it was just this part of it. Like jolile o jola ali one. And you know, you're listening to me, you know you can hear me, and I want you to understand that